This video is not for people under the age of 12. So if you're not 12, then why are you still watching this? How many times? Hey guys, it's me. I'm good now.
Me too.
Spongebob rules.
I'm your dad.
I mean, Teen Dad rules.
That's it. SpongeBob, why are you doing this? Because I have all the games in the book and the Nintendo Switch Lite for some reason. Why are you doing this? This is pretty stupid. Yeah. Don't dare say it. What the Sigma?
Ah.
My face has been appearing up everywhere. What are you talking about? I think he's talking about the 25th anniversary. I didn't really need to know that. Who told you? Myself?
This is a bunch of bull.
Okay, calm down there a little bit. Hey guys, got the new burping thing. Why'd you do that?
What?
Oh, what the?
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
That didn't do anything. Wait a second. Oh, what's the other house doing? Well, at least this is still saying. Okay, I guess I'm the mayor of Mad News. And also, I have this. Yeah, I do have Peach's Castle, but I lost some pieces to it.
Meow. A few hours later. What happens?
Oh, we kind of destroyed this thing with the burping Spongebob thing. Did you really have to do that? Yeah, you're being a B word. Well, yeah, I gotta be perfectly honest with that.
Me too.
Okay, just because I was being mean doesn't mean you have to blow up the entire castle. Well, you can't just take all the games, you know. Wow, you're actually being smart for once. Good. Well, now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 SpongeBobs. There's gonna be a 6th. What are you talking about? Dude? I guess it's not working. Can we just get on with the next scene, please? Yes, please. Guess we can get on with the next scene. What was this scene? What? Guess I'll do it. Bro, cut to the next. We're back. And we got the official cookbook. What's that? We got it from the school library. Oh. And then we got Christmas calendar. Wait, isn't Boy on fall break? How did you guys get this? Could have forgot to return it back a while ago. Well, we better bring it back. We're planning to. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Okay. All we need is James. I said all we need is James. What do you guys say my name? What do you guys want? Well, we're doing a game night too. Did somebody say games? This is my family, my chance to be in a BoyoToonz video. No, never mind. I heard it was Halloween. It's Pokemon. I'll save some for this year. I'm not doing this again. Do it. Do it. No, do it. I'm not gonna do it. Do it. Do it. Hey, if he says he doesn't want to do it, then he doesn't want to do it. You know what? You get out of here. Get your stupid cards as well. Oh man, that really hurt. I'm here now. Well, I have to get up. I'm here too, I guess. Get your cupcake. God. Why is this like so stupid? I don't even know why I'm here. I don't even know why I'm here either. Just want to be in a video. Like, I don't have to be in a video. Like, I'm here. It's Pokemon cards that go. Okay. Can we get this mess out of here? Like, I don't really like it. Like, man, I don't really like. Can't get Harry, 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 can't get Harry. Is it it? Guys, can we actually just get into the main thing except for can't catch Harry? Is it? What are you even gonna do? I have a lifesaver in my backpack. No, you don't. Yes, I do. Just sit right there. No, sit by the TV, I'll get it. You don't have anything like that. No, you. Yes, I do. No, you don't. I said no, you don't. I said no, you don't. I said no, you don't. Bro, you don't, man. You don't. Okay, maybe I don't. But at least I have the Patrick slipper. No. Well, he's gone. You think you can just get your game out like that? What? Open. See, I got it open. See, look. I can get my game open too. Yeah. You can mess around with it too. Well, it's kind of more of Spongebob's game, but. Hey, let us do that too. Maybe. Actually, this place is already a mess enough. Like, literally. What's bro doing? I'm just waiting for someone else to. Hey! I don't have a game. I do not have a game! Yeah, I know, you don't have a game. Can we get something to eat? No, Spongebob, we're not doing that Wendy's thing yet. We're doing it in a separate video. Fine. So wait. Oh, you're not waiting for nothing, mate. You're helping me in court trying to take Wendy's down. Why? Because they copied my stuff, mate. It's cool. Can you guys stop arguing? Can we just end this because this is just getting weird? No! You know what, I'm gonna get something. Wonder what he's gonna go get. Can I trade for the young guy? Yeah. I'd be like $1. Fine. Give him my $1. Can't find him. Can't find any money. I guess you're not gonna get him. Taking. Can't just keep a random guy. Hey, you get back here. Get back here. You have to get back here. This instant. I love it. Who seriously doesn't pay for that? Like, literally, man. I'm mad at him now. Can one of you guys help me on something? No. Yo, why would I help you, man?
Listen, I need a video about me. Because all you guys get your own videos. Like, you get your own video, you got your own video, I don't know if you got your own video. Like, all you guys are getting lucky in being in one single video. I haven't even been in a video in a while. And I want one about my pizza. Or at least Spongebob and Patrick and the others going to Chuck E. Cheese.
No.
Please. Please, just once. Please.
No.
Pretty please.
No.
Pretty please. Please, 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 please. Please. Please.
But it's up to Boyo.
Please.
Okay, maybe.
Yay.
I said maybe.
Oh, and yeah.
Why do we always have to make messes?
That's what I'm saying, Freddy Fazbear.
Yeah. Oh, bam.
Yeah,
I think I also need another Sesame Street video. Like, I only have like one. True. Maybe a remake of the Lego Mario video. What do you think about that? Take those. I think that's good. Okay? What the heck are you?
I don't know who I am. Can I have my own show? Like BoyoToonz original?
Yeah, sure.
Yay!
I glue too. You know what, guys? I think we should just call it a day for now. Or night. Or midnight.
fine. I'll go home.
Yeah, it's getting pretty late. Yeah, I'm with you, pal Patrick.
But guys, can you at least help me? Sorry, mate, but I'm gonna have to try to get a new voice because people are gonna think it's not me. So I don't want that. Okay? Well, you're seriously not doing this to me. Yeah, I kind of go home because Disney's telling me to come be there by like 2 in the morning. Why 2 in the morning? Because Frozen 3, but it's probably not even gonna come out in a bunch of years. Shut up. I'm sorry, buddy, but I'm going. Yeah, I'm going home. Guys, I don't think you should be leaving. I'm going too. Yeah, why not me? Is the next video gonna be like the Wendy's one? Yeah, probably. So if that comes out. Maybe it might come out on the same exact day. I don't know. It's just coming out soon, okay? Okay. So I guess we gotta wait for the Wendy's one.